Markets are flashing early warning signs as speculation builds around who will lead the U.S. Federal Reserve next. Bond yields are rising, the dollar is weakening, and investor nerves are tightening. All after Trump ally Kevin Hassett emerged as the frontrunner to replace Jerome Powell. Take a look at our next report to know more.
Markets are turning cautious as investors react to growing expectations that Kevin Hassett, a close ally of Donald Trump, could become the next Federal Reserve chair. Betting odds on poly markets surged from 30% at the end of November to 73% last week after Trump publicly acknowledged Hassett at a White House event. Hassett has long argued for aggressive rate cuts, raising concerns that monetary policy could turn more political. The bond market's initial reaction has been clear. Investors are uneasy about what a Hassett-led Fed could mean for inflation and long-term price stability. Since news broke that Hassett is the front-runner, the 10-year U.S. Treasury yields had jumped 11 basis points, and the U.S. dollar index has slipped from 99 to 98. Typically, prospects of rate cuts would push yields lower, but the opposite is happening. Investors fear early or excessive rate cuts could reignite inflation, forcing the Fed to hike again later. Analysts say the move is being driven almost entirely by the changing odds of a Hassett appointment, with the market pricing in higher long-term inflation risk and a steeper yield curve heading into 2026. Feedback gathered by the U.S. Treasury shows major banks and asset managers are worried about Trump's shortlist of Fed candidates, with Hassett drawing the most concern. Some strategists warn that a political tilt at the Fed could undermine its independence, while others note that Hassett would still face resistance from more hawkish members. But for now, the uncertainty alone is enough to unsettle markets. With inflation still expected to remain above the Fed's 2% target for some time, the debate over who leads the central bank is already reshaping expectations for interest rates, growth, financial stability, and Fed control. Business Bureau, Beyond World is One.